This is a video on how to remove and replace your knock sensor grommets on your valley pan. It's pretty simple. What you're going to do is you're going to get a pry bar. I only have my pocket screwdriver, so I'm using this. What you're going to do is you're going to put it up in here and you're going to pry it, and it should just pop out. And then once you pop it out, you're going to get a Scotch-Brite pad. And then you're going to clean the mating surface around it on both sides. Once it's all cleaned up, get your grommet, put it in place, and pop it in with a rubber mallet. And that's how you get them in. I had it painted to match my truck, like my timing cover.